Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Leapmotors C10. Now, it will be having an update, an over-the-air update to Apple CarPlay soon. It's not just ready yet, but it will be. So here we go to Bluetooth, and then watch out at the bottom. Along here, you've got home there, settings, phone, Bluetooth not connected, connect now, vehicle name, Leapmotor BT, Leapmotor BT, onto that. You see it connecting to Barry's iPhone, 265218, 265218, yep, pairing, allow. That's it done.